Yo, fatching up.
This chief on the thing, the baddest global. You don't know.
Woke up early sunrise, pan the trade line. HeistFX Turbo, make me chart shine. Pips a flow, steady profit a rewind. Risk small game, big my money incline. No more stress, no sleepless night. Turbo provision, me future bright. Algorithm tight, like a rhythm in the fight. When make the market, everything ignite. Ice Master Global, me dep on top. Turbo Pro turn up, profit non-stop. Chief pan the thing, man, me run the block. Forex life sweet when the bot unlock. Tell them, you don't know, you don't know. You don't know, you don't know. You don't know, you don't know. You don't know, you don't know, you don't know, you don't know. HeistFX Turbo, me don't flop. Global settings, me chart can't drop. Me back test long, me no rushing at the scene. Every entry clean like my system green. Draw down low, equity mean. Compound me profit like me living the dream. From Kingston to Nairobi, them a hail me name. Ice Master Global, me play the game. Strategy sharp like a razor flame. When turbo start move, profit can't tame. HeistFX pan the mic now. Chief pan the thing, man, I win every time now. Baddest global, watch the pip climb now. Turbo Pro, me back the buy now. You don't know, you don't know. You don't know, you don't know. You don't know, you don't know. Tell them no, you don't know, you don't know, you don't know. HeistFX Turbo, me don't flop. Global settings, me chart and drop. Yeah. Me no guess, me no stress. Turbo angle the mess. HeistFX family, me bless success manifest. Global things, me no rest. Ice Master progress. Turbo Pro forever. Me a trade like the best. Ice Master Global, me dep on top. Turbo Pro turn up profit non-stop. Chief on the thing, man, me run the block. Forex life sweet when the button lock. Tell them you don't know, you don't know. You don't know, you don't know. You don't know, you don't know. You don't know, you don't know, you don't know, you don't know. HeistFX Turbo, me don't flop. Global settings, my chart can't drop. This chip on the thing, the baddest global.
Okay, yeah man, welcome again to the HeistFX channel. And now this is Dinox_official, so don't forget to subscribe. Remember, this is the challenge of $100 all the way to 1,000 trading with the best bot in town. Talk about the HeistFX Turbo V2.2. Now the balance is at 211.73. You don't know, yeah? Now yesterday we were to trade as always, but then because of power issues and blackout, I was not able to do the thing. Yeah, now we are going to quickly start today's challenge or today's trading, and I'm quickly going to show you the account update. Now these are the last running trades. I don't know if you are going to see them on UJ, the last day of trading. Yeah, these were those the 4 added on. Yeah, so when you are going to see on the trade comment, you are going to see HeistFX Turbo add on the CRT, yeah, under the ghost mode. Yeah, now the balance as you can see there is 211.37. yeah. Now yesterday we did not trade, and today this is how the history looks like. Nothing for today, and of course this is the live account or the live broker that you are going to use with the link in the description below. Yeah, now everything being said and done, we're quickly going to the installation process. And remember, the reason why I usually take you guys through the installation process is for most of you guys to learn it before even you can come for the bot, or before even you just have a rough idea of what to expect. Yeah, now under the installation, I told you how simple and easy. You just drag the bot and paste it there. Now once you are here, whatever we're going to set is today's take profit and the risk management parameters. Yeah, now we're quickly coming to the properties over this other side. Remember today, now that the account is in $211, we want our aim at the end of the day is to double it to 400, or at least make 150, if not $100, being least target for the day. Yeah, now everything is going to be true. We are not going to take or we are not going to take chances by loosening up some strategies or confirmations. Yeah, now everything is going to be true. Now this one can take time to execute, but once it has executed, we know they are powerful and they are good trades that have followed all the confirmations. You don't know, unlike the last time whereby we put the multi-time frame alignment confirmation as false and the volume confirmation as false. Today we are not going to take chances, because last week we learned through the hard way, because some of the trades were opened well, but they consolidated too way much and long hours in a drawdown. Yeah, so today me not turn nothing false. You don't know. Yeah, now everything and all that being said and done, we are quickly going to today's take profit is at 500, but then because our account is 200, I'm quickly going to type there $200. That is what you are targeting. And then now down below, I don't think anything else that you're going to change apart from that. And the scalping mode is off. We are only trading with the ghost mode. And now the initial number of trades, we are going to reduce them from 10 to 8. Yeah, just to play safe. And then I'm going to remove this ghost add-on on 4 trades to 0, so that we cannot have any ghost add-on trades, because last week on a USD JPY we hit a TP target, and remember where the TP target is always put, you find that stretch or that opportunity is already exhausted. Now once you also add on other trades from that area there, we in for a big drawdown and inner trouble before we come into profit again. Me don't want to risk that again. Yeah, that is why I'm going to put them at 0. And then now what better than just clicking OK? Simple, nice and easy like so. And then now we are going to put the mode as the haste mode, and now we do what we call start the bot. Yeah, now we have officially started the bot. I've taken you through the quicker installation and what you expect for the day. The target profit is $200, and if you can make this $200, we'll be taking this account balance from 211.73 all the way to 400 plus something. We don't know. Simple and easy this. Yeah, now under the expert side here, the analysis has already started, and as I can see, we have a BOS level. Yeah, analysis on US30. The momentum strength is a 0.28, retracement probability is a 0. So we have unclear momentum, so that is why the bot is waiting for a confirmation. You don't know. Yeah, so waiting for a better setup on US30. That is the trade analysis that is going on at the moment. And remember, on the watch list we have gold, and then we have GBP JPY, we have Euro USD, USD JPY, pound dollar, and then the final one being US30. So the bot is scanning all of those pairs at the same time, and the one that is showing a strong momentum and a strong most likely confirmations for an executed trade is the one that the bot is going to concentrate on. But then until or unless we find a better reason to execute, the bot will always reject all those confirmation out of the sniper them. And now we're having the first rejected trader of the day. This is analysis on USD, on GBP USD. Yeah, so the momentum score is 0.3 and the requirement is 0.6. Yeah, now the fake out probability is 25%, and the volume confirmation has not yet been met, and multi-time frame everything is true. Yeah, so that one has been rejected because of lack of enough momentum. Yeah, so we are not going to take a risk by turning the volume confirmation false so that we can execute the trade, but just to see what a GBP USD looks like, and see what yeah, it is a cleaner structure here from the 4 hour, that is from the bigger time frames, but then it is in this kind of box here, we're not in a clear okay, where we are is in an area of resistance and support, yeah. So we in kinda box or a range, yeah. So that is why we we don't have a clear momentum from this area, because we have had a series of 3 down close candlesticks, and they are just small sizes, yeah. So we don't have enough volume, so I'll not risk by putting the volume filter off so that we can execute this particular trade, yeah. So we'll wait and see what other trades will be looking like, and in case of another one that will be looking quite much better, we can loosen up 1 or 2 filters so that we can execute the trade and make it hotter than lava. I'll keep on updating you. You don't know. Yeah, so this is the rejected trade there. We don't have insufficient momentum there, yeah? So that is the analysis on GBP USD, yeah? That is how the chart is looking like in the 1 hour, and just if you go to the 4 hours, this is how it is looking like, yeah. And now let us go to the bot. Forex Bot. Tell them you don't know, you don't. That is how everything is looking like. No entry, no trader taken. Yeah, that is it basically. In case you don't know, now you know, yeah. Yeah, so we have analysis ongoing there. Yeah, we have analysis ongoing.
From Kingston to Nairobi, them a hail me name. HeistFX Global, me play the game. Strategy sharp like a razor flame. When turbo start.
Yeah, so we are going to wait for an entry, yeah.
Chief on the thing, man, I win every time now. But this global, watch the pip climb now. Turbo Pro, me body by now. You don't know, you don't know. You don't know, you don't know. You don't know, you don't know. Tell them no, you don't know, you don't know, you don't know. HeistFX Turbo, me don't flow.
We have another analysis on a Euro USD, which has also been rejected. So waiting for a better setup on US30, and we're having another analysis on Euro ongoing at the moment. Yeah, we have another ongoing, yeah. Just to show you the account. Yeah, this is how the account is looking like. Yeah. Tell them you don't know, 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 you don't know. You don't know. Yeah, that is what we're having at the moment. Yeah, man. Yeah, so after our water seems like a much awaiting, so trades have been opened here, yeah. Now we have some trades on GBP, yeah. Now this is how the counter is looking like, negative 20 there and counting, but everything there looking nicer and promising, but then yeah, that rejection over that area there was quite massive, yeah. So we hope everything gonna be hotter than lava and simple, nice and easy, yeah. So if you can go all the way to fill that week there, and the reason for execution, let us see why the bot has executed this trade. So yeah, it has not recorded, yeah. So I'm trying to see that where it has executed that trade, yeah. So far this is how the account is looking like, with something like negative 11 there. So we're slowly coming up to profit, and then everything else gonna be hotter than lava, yeah. So because my phone is the one I'm in a live TikTok over the other side, I don't know if I can flip it to show you the, okay, let me just do it for the sake of yeah, now you can see the running trades are there, and they have been opened on the ghost mode, as you can see there. And then let us confirm the charts and see the positions that they are running. Yeah, so if we hit TP, let me confirm, we are going to make $20. We are going to make $22 on each and every position. So it is our game of waiting. Yeah, so we wait and see how the day gonna play. Yeah, simple and easy. This you don't know, panditing. Yeah, so updates after some time when a deeper drawdown of 140. Yeah, so this was kinda a bigger retracement from that area there, and if we're not keen at this moment, we can blow the account because we left with something like $70, $80 to blow this account. Yeah, so this was more of let us go to the 15-minute. You can see the entry where it was taken, and let me see in the 15 minutes. In the 15 minutes there. Yeah, so these are usually those sharper reversals after that. Those are spikes and impulsive moves. Yeah, so we down 170. Yeah, so whoa. So I think it will be harder to recover from this situation. Yeah, because we left with something like 60 now. Yeah, we left with 60. So that is it. At the end of the day, yeah, those usually happen. But then I'm still working on refining it. Yeah, so that entry there, the analysis was good and correct. Yeah, because I'm seeing others other trades are being taken there, being rejected. The analysis is still ongoing there. But then at these spikes, at the end of the day, you cannot stop them from doing whatever they want. Yeah, so I'll keep an closer eye monitoring this. So far it is not looking good. The take profit, though, everything else was looking nice, but then I think taking this trade from that particular area there was not one of the best choices and decisions to make. But then if we went all the way to the take profit up there, we could make a good and a crazy profits. Yeah, now taking that opportunity alone could double our account. Yeah, could double our account from 200 to 400. Yeah, so we slightly coming up from the drawdown. Yeah, we having some rejections there, and now the account is still bad at 40. 40. Yeah, so that is it. So if this one fails, we can also start again. Yeah, we refine and start again. The goal is taking $100 account all the way to 1,000. Yeah, let us wait and see. So as I am still waiting for my final fate at $30 holding the account, and it is not looking that good. Not looking that good per se. Not looking that good. Yo, this is crazy. That is crazy right there. Yeah, that one is crazy. But then I've gotten yeah, these were taken earlier. I don't know what was the account size or the account balance then, but the profit of $40 was secured on this account. Now these were trades on the US30, GBP, JPY, all the way, and the USD JPY trades. Yeah, now this person was lucky enough. I think this one caught the real mover, and then mine opened the fake out. By now I think we are already smoked. Holy cow. Yeah. Hey, yeah, that is it. So we have been smoked there. That is it. Now at $12. $12 is where the account balance is at the moment. Of course, I feel bad about it. The analysis was right, but then at the entry, it took an early entry. Yeah? The entry was bad because it took this trades at this particular area there. Yeah, that one was a better place to take trade from. Yeah, and the strategy which I opened this trader was a BOS strategy. Now the failure of code that has happened here is this. Yeah, now on the BOS strategy, once we're having a break of a structure, usually the market comes to areas of inefficiency or imbalances volumes in the market. Yeah, so it can retrace back to fair value gaps or areas we have where we can react from. Yeah, so it can look for a 5-minute order block or a demand zone and then continue. Yeah. Now, I think where it executed the trade, that place there was not a good place. I remember we had the first spike from here all the way, the first spike from there all the way up to there, and then we came down to grab all this liquidity and induce all these traders that were there. Yeah. Now, from here, the move was right because now after inducing these traders, most of the time the bot usually opens using CRT strategy trades from this area here. Yeah, now after executing trades from this area there, which is a sniper entry from that area there, and then I usually catch these moves all the way, yeah, up to maybe where the market retraced or reversed from. Yeah, now the lack of I don't know what the bot was doing all this time or was looking for a better confirmations. And remember, we had the allow multi-time frame alignment. Yeah, so it had to wait for this market structure to turn bullish so that we can open trades, because now basically after breaking the break of structure from this lows, now we turn bearish now from a bullish market. Yeah, so I think that is one of the confirmation which led to a delay, and we have learned from it and we took that positive. Yeah, nothing to worry about, everything is okay. At the end of the day, you are not guaranteed of 100% profits in the market, but then we still coming back. The goal is taking $100 account all the way to 1,000. Yeah, so we can start all over again, I guess from tomorrow or just next week, but then we'll see. This one is also challenging me to know or to see where things are failing, but then as much as people are making profits, then you have seen there are risk involved, and then at the end of the day we all are risk taking in the market. Yeah, so that is it. That is what has happened, or that is what is taking place. And you see the market is still continuing pushing down. Yeah, so you are like totally wrong. Yeah, so without that allow multi-time frame alignment thing, we could have gotten this CRT perfect trader from this area here. Yeah, after this liquidity inducement of these lows. Yeah, so I usually love DJ so much, and once I see trades have been open in this pair, I'm always confident. Yeah, so the market is now, after doing the thing, after now retracing back, is now will push. Eventually the market will go all the way to where our take profit was, but it is unfortunate that based on the number of position and lot size and based on my risk management, I usually risk the whole account. Now when we go to the SL limit, you can see it is a 0, so meaning I usually risk 100% of the account size. Yeah, because I'm always risking whatever I'm comfortable losing. Yeah, so the best thing to do at the moment is to leave that amount of money there, or withdraw it, go eat some heavy meal for lunch, and then we'll come back another day and continue. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe, hit on the notification bell at HeistFX. We don't sugarcoat anything, or we don't hide anything. We take a spade as a spade, not as a big spoon. We don't sugarcoat anything. That is the raw footage of everything that has transpired and taken place. Yeah, at this exact minute. Now reporting live from the Heist headquarters. This man like Chief Paniting, of course disappointed, but then good days ahead. You don't know. It is 13:03 at afternoon, past. Yeah, pretty much disappointed. Let me look for a meal to eat, and then we'll come back as strong, hotter than lava. So let me fix that error that I've seen there, and then we'll come and start the challenge again. Episode 3 will be dropping either tomorrow 10 p.m. then by then maybe we could have see, are we going to fund account and start afresh, or what is going to take place. Peace.